Hey guys, it's Katie. Welcome back to my channel. I'm all about cosmetics, beauty and aesthetic. Please like to support, subscribe and ring the bell to receive notifications. And guys, today I would like to review and test out first this thing. I received two, so I've already opened one in my previous video, but I didn't actually try it out. I only tested on my hand, right? So this is looks like this, a stick that changes color like a foundation stick on one side, and on the other side there is a foundation brush. So I would like to test it out because actually there were many really great reviews on this product on the site. Okay guys, let's get started. And first, I think on one side of my face I will use primer first, and I will use Tatcha Silk Canvas, and on the other side of my face I will just go ahead with this stick. As I always do, first I warm Tatcha primer on my hand, and then the tapping motions, tap, 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 I apply it on my face. I've already done my eyes and, except mascara, and brows. So now let's get into this thing. I'm not really sure how to apply it, so let's go like this. And I think you just need to so far it looks so light. Let's blend it. So far it looks actually I would say that the brush doesn't really work much because you can see the brush strokes, but wow, using fingers after the brush, oh my god, wow guys, it's like my skin but better. Let's try the other side with no primer on it. Maybe it would be even better. Okay, now this side with no primer, I can see that it changes color faster. But you need to take your time to blend it in. So far it looks like night mask. I don't know guys, this one, it doesn't blend everything well. You can still see the strokes of the lines of the brush. Wow, maybe because fingers melted down a little bit, but after touching up with fingers, because it looks flawless. Can you tell? Wow, it looks flawless, like, wow. Hands down, like, as if I've got, oh, hands down, guys, as if I've got only, like, I don't know, like, skincare on my face. Looks so good. It's a little bit sticky, but you cannot see makeup at all. Like, it's, wow. I hope it lasts, really. So guys, I will finish my makeup and let's see how it looks with bronzer, blush and powder. And again, powder I use only in the middle portion of my face. Wait a second. I'm back. So what I've used, these two bronzers from Charlotte Tilbury and the same palette blush. Then I've used by Terry powder, loose powder in the center of my face. Vivienne Sabo Cabaret mascara, my favorite one. And the last one is Colourpop Fresh Kiss Lip Cream Baby Doll, this color. So guys, so far I should say that both sides look really good. This side with the primer, it looks a little bit on the matte side, and this side looks more like natural. What I usually do, I would use satin spray at the end as well because it blends all the makeup in. So let's go ahead and do that. Let me see how it looks like now. Guys, this side, primer side, looks really flawless. And this side looks more like natural. I would say that here, because of the primer, maybe you just cannot see pores at all. And this side is more like a natural, just skin. But let's see how it holds throughout the day. And now, I don't even know what time it is. Let me check it since my watch doesn't work anymore. And now guys, it's 1 p.m. and see you later in the day. So guys, right after I applied it, like 10 minutes, everything's set. Up close here, you can see the skin is super flawless. In here, you can see my pores a little bit, but still, both sides look super good. I'm super impressed so far. Hey guys, update. It's 4 o'clock now and I'm doing my studies. And it's a daylight, so you can see both sides look really good. Now I can see it's a little bit dewy, but up close look, you cannot really see pores. Even here it looks so good actually, really so natural and nice. I'm truly impressed. Well, it's been 3 hours. Let's keep on going and take a look at it a little bit later. Hey guys, 6 o'clock update. Looks pretty good still. Amazing. It's been like 5 hours now and it looks really good. See you later. Hey guys, now it's 7:30, so it's basically been 6.5 hours since I applied the stick foundation. And I should say it looks still pretty impressive. With the primer, it looks way better. It's still like, you know, the pores are pretty like diminished and it looks a little bit like still on the flawless side, and it's not sticky at all. It feels like your skin basically, but with no primer, it's still like it's not sticky. I didn't touch up, so you can see it like it's a little bit like glowing, but on the natural side it doesn't look greasy at all. It doesn't feel greasy at all, but here you can see the pores a little bit, which is still fine. It still looks good. And I will do my touch-up test as I always do. I will use Terry powder. Wow guys, both sides look perfectly well. Even this one. I don't know, can you see? It looks really good, really flawless. I'm like freaking amazed by this product, and this product's been pretty cheap. I'll put the price somewhere here, but guys, whoa, it's amazing. I really want to try it out and like wear throughout the day, but so far, hands down, it's brilliant. It's good. It's really good. Well guys, this is it. That was my review on this product. Katty, I believe. Anyways, that's really good. I hope you enjoyed the review. Please like it to support, and let me know in the comment section below what do you want me to try out or show you in my next video. And see you guys. Stay warm, stay safe. Bye bye.